Welcome viewers to Martin Private Studio. Today, we'll be uncovering the mysteries of
the runs.
In technical terminology, we would refer to these as melismas. A melisma is a group of notes sung to one syllable of text. So now we know what a run technically is. Let's talk about common practice. The problem is, most people think it's not commonly practiced. That the people you love to hear on the radio are just off the dome with it.
Lies and slander, I say.
I'm here to tell you that is just not true. Not true at all. But it could be what the industry wants you to think. You ever admire somebody you know because they sing music really well? I mean, they just sing really well, right? And then when you go to ask them how they do it, they hit you with some like bogus answer like, I don't know, I've just always been able to do it. Real talk, you should stop being friends with somebody like that. But I'm not here to tell you who you should and shouldn't be friends with. The truth is, they're experienced. They've done it so much that it's within basic capability for them. Essentially, this series is going to break down runs and help you add them to your arsenal. Alright guys, let's get into these 3 runs. The first one we're going to talk about is a 2-note run. I'll play it again for you. 2 notes. Now, give it a try. Sing it. Whatever value you feel like singing it on. An example of this run is actually in Stevie Wonder's Superstitious. And it's the second phrase of the chorus. And it goes, writings on the wall. You can hear at the very end of that phrase, wall. On wall, he uses that run. The reason I chose this run is because it's very simple, it's low maintenance, and it can be very effective in any of the songs that you use. Alright, this second run is going to be a 3-note run, probably the most difficult of the 3 runs we're going to talk about today, and it goes like this. Play it again. Now give it a try on any vowel. E. It just so happens that an example of this run is also in Stevie Wonder's Superstitious. And it goes as such. Very superstitious. As in there. I chose this one specifically because it's on the more advanced side. Obviously, it's still in the beginner spectrum of our runs, but again, this run specifically can make just about any singer seem like an advanced and knowledgeable R&B singer if used in the right context of the song. Alright, this last run we're going to talk about is actually the inverse of the first run that we talked about, and it goes like this. Go ahead, give that a try. Ooh, if you believe in things. Obviously, as this series continues, we will be bringing out more runs from obviously a basic level to a more experienced level. We can also dissect runs from specific parts of your favorite artist's songs. Of course, I have to figure out how the copyright works and all of that, but that's okay. I'll figure it out for you guys. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continued support. And also, if you're on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, do all that great stuff. Hit the bell notification to see more of us, Martin Private Studio, my wife and I. And as always, it takes time, patience, and efficient practice to become great. Give these exercises a go, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye!